Hello guys, good to see you back. Once again I'm back with a new tutorial related JavaScript. And in this tutorial we are going to learn JavaScript switch case statement. This statement pretty similar with if-else if conditions. So let's see the syntax how to write. So at first we need to type switch. Then inside the round braces we need to pass an expression. Maybe any value. Otherwise any value. Then we check this value in this condition. But before check the condition we need to type case keyword. Then you can create a condition using any comparison operator. You can use logical AND, otherwise logical OR. Then if the condition is true, then it's going to run this statement. And if the condition return false, then it's going to check our next condition. Similarly, if it return false, again it check condition 3. And any of the condition return true, then it break the switch statement. And it's not going to check any other condition. Using break keyword, we can stop the execution. And similar to else condition, we have default in switch statement. And if any of condition do not return true, then it's going to execute our default statement. Just you need to remember, we need to use case and break keyword before and after condition. Breaks mean no statement run after this. So without wasting your time, let's start the practical and see how it's work. So here you can see side by side I open my Visual Studio Code Editor and my browser using Live Server extension. And I already created a HTML document named index.html. So let's start switch case statement. But before I'm going to create a variable. So here I'm going to type var and our variable name is day. Day equal to 1. Then semicolon to end this line. And now I want to create a switch case statement. Here I am going to pass a day number which is going to return our day name. As like 1 for Sunday, 2 for Monday, 3 for Tuesday, etc. So let's create the switch case. So here I am going to type switch. And inside the round braces I am going to pass our variable name. And our variable name is day. And here I am going to pass case 1. And after colon I am going to type document dot write inside the parenthesis, inside the double quotes, today is Monday. Then semicolon to end this line. So if we pass case 1, then it's written Monday. And now I'm going to duplicate these lines 6 times for our 6 days. And now I'm going to change case condition and statement one by one. For case 2, I want to print today is Tuesday. Similarly, for case 3, I want to print today is Wednesday. Similarly, for case 4, I want to print today is Thursday. And for our case 5, I want to print today is Friday. And for case 6, I am going to print today is Saturday. And we need to create another case statement. So I'm going to select this line and duplicate it. And for case 7, I want to print today is Sunday. So as you can see, one by one, we create every case statement for our weekday names. And for our default statement, I want to print, let me show you. Here I want to print, enter the valid weekday. So let's save the file and see what it returned. If I save this file, as you can see, it's print, today is Monday. Because we assign day value 1. Similarly, if I pass 4 here and then save this file, now you can see, now it's print, today is Thursday. As you can see, this condition is true. That's why it print this statement. And after print this statement, our break keyword stop executing other condition. I want to say if the condition return true, break doesn't allow to execute other condition. But what happened if I remove break keyword from our statements? Let me show you. So one by one, I'm going to remove all the break keyword. If I save this file, as you can see after Thursday, it do not stop executing. And it print all the statement. Today is Friday, today is Saturday, today is Sunday. And also it print enter valid weekday, which is our default statement. So the break key was very necessary in switch case statement. Let's back to the previous position because I need break keyword. And if I save this file, as you can see now it's worked accurately. So I hope now it's clear for you what is the usage of break keyword. Let me show you one thing. Now I want to print same value for case 1, case 2 and case 3. For that, we can type like this way. So I'm going to copy the case 2 and after case 1, I'm going to paste it. Similarly, I'm going to copy case 3 and after case 2, I'm going to paste it here. And now I'm going to remove this 2 condition. And here, I'm going to pass case 3. So if I save this file, as you can see, it's print today is Monday. So in this way, we can return same result for different cases. As you can see, for case 1, case 2 and case 3, we return today is Monday. Basically, we can check multiple cases in a single line. And also, you can pass here multiple statements. So I'm going to duplicate this line and here I'm going to pass hello world. If I save this file, you can see the result. Today is Monday, hello world. And now I'm going to show you how can we use switch case statement with comparison operator. For that, I'm going to take a variable named age. And I'm going to set age 30. And here I'm going to work with only 3 or 4 cases. So here I'm going to delete all the cases. And inside the round braces, I'm going to pass true. It's mean this switch case statement should go on. Here we do not pass any value, but it automatically turn on our switch because we set true value. But here I just want to use comparison operator. So inside the round braces, and here I'm going to create a condition. Age greater than equal to 18. With that, I'm going to use AND operator. And age less than equal to 25. Then I want to print in my document. So I'm going to remove one document statement and here I'm going to print you are eligible. So this is our first case condition. And I'm going to duplicate this section again. I want to create another case condition. Sorry, I did a mistake. Here we need to use greater than equal to sign. If age greater than equal to 26 and less than equal to 60, then I want to print you are not eligible. And in our default statement, I want to pass enter the valid age. So let's save the file and see what it returned. If I save this file, as you can see, here you can see it's print enter the valid age. I think I did some mistake again. Here we need to use greater than sign. So if I save this file, now you can see you are not eligible. As you can see, our age between 26 and 60. That's why it's print you are not eligible. But if I change the age 22 and then save this file, now you can see you are eligible. But if I pass value less than 18 and greater than 60, then it's going to jump into the default statement and print enter the valid age. Let me show you. So here I pass 15 and then save this file. As you can see, enter the valid age. Also, if I pass 77 and then save this file, as you can see, it's also print enter the valid age. Because here we create 2 cases. Our first case handle age between 18 and 25 and our second case handle age between 26 and less than 60. Here I want to show you how can we use switch case statement with comparison operators. I hope now it's clear for you. So thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for our next tutorial.